My Bubba boys and Corey, this is for you. This is, I've just got off the phone with you guys. You know how you guys had lightning and thunder the other night? This is the storm that we're getting here. It's dark and then there's lightning. The lightning is so hardcore, it turns everything to like daylight. Watch this. Look at the little church across the road light up with the lightning. That's Charlie's here and Jenny in the shower. That was good.
I got down on my hands and knees.
Did you really?
I went in and grabbed I opened the door up really quiet and got down on my hands and knees and just went in and just grabbed it on my leg.
No way.
Actually, you told me to do that.
Shit, I'm surprised you didn't get more of a fright than that.
I was beginning to wonder what sort of place I'd come to, and then I found out.